Hello guys, in this video we will see how to lock and unlock a user in PostgreSQL server from the PSQL client or pgAdmin. Okay, first we will create user, then we will see how to lock and unlock user. First verify list of users by running /du. See, these are the list of the users available. And see here the attributes. See, only this user cannot log in. Remaining users can log in. Even if you go to pgAdmin, expand connection, then expand login and group roles. See, this user cannot log in. Only these users can log in. If you want to verify, right click on the user, then go to properties, then go to this privilege tab. See, can log in turned off, which means we cannot log in with this user. So now we will create user from the pgAdmin or right click and select create, then create group or login or group role. Then we have to provide name, then we have to define like password, expiry date and connection limit. -1 means unlimited. Privileges, see here, if you want to create user and lock, then you have to turn off. And if you want to unlock, and if you want to log in user, you have to turn on. And membership parameters, security, other information. Here you will get the SQL script. Okay, so first we will see how to create user from PSQL client. Create user or role, then account admin with password, put semicolon at the end, hit enter. Now verify /du. See here in the attribute section there is no value, cannot log in. So this user can log in. Now we will see how to lock and unlock. So first try to connect with this new user from the PSQL client. PSQL client or pgAdmin. Okay, go to pgAdmin, then servers, right click, register, then select server, then provide connection name. Account admin connection name can be anything, then go to connection tab. Here we have to give localhost because PostgreSQL is installed on this one. Then port number 5433, username, account admin, then provide the password of this user that we have set. Then click on save. See, user is successfully connected. But if you lock, we will see what will happen. Go to here. So command is alter user account admin no login. Hit enter. Now verify again /du. See, the attributes cannot log in. This user cannot log into the PostgreSQL server. Even if you go to pgAdmin, right click, refresh, then go to databases, right click on any database. See the error that we have received, connection failed, connection to server. Okay, and the role is not permitted to log in. Okay, this is the error we have received because we have locked. If you want to unlock, just go to here, alter user account admin login. See, now verify /du. See, that cannot log in attribute is gone. Okay, same way, go to pgAdmin, right click on users, refresh. See, user is there. Here if you want to lock, properties, then select the privileges, then turn off. Then you go to SQL. See here you have the command, then click on save. Now verify /du. See, now it is locked. Cannot log in means it is locked. Now unlock it, right click properties, then go to privileges, then select this can log in, turn on, save, then minimize this one, then right click on this connection, refresh. Now we are able to connect. Right click on any database, then query tool. See, we have successfully got the query tool. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to lock and unlock a user from the PSQL client and pgAdmin. Okay, for more PostgreSQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.